Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about how we can reduce a pair of linear equations so that we can then apply either substitution or elimination method to solve those equations. Okay, so let's see with an example what does it mean. Here, see, if you will solve it directly by substitution or elimination or cross multiplication for that matter, you will find out that if you will take LCM, so 3 to the 6xy, 3y plus 2x, it will take this form which cannot be solved then, right? So in order to solve these type of equation, so that to avoid product of two variables, what we have is reducing the variables. So just find out what is common in both of the equation. If you see 1 by x is here, 1 by x is here, 1 by y is here, 1 by y is here also. So what we can do is we can assume that let 1 by x be some variable, some another variable u, and 1 by y be some other variable v. So if you do so, you will find that this has become u now. So equation has taken another form, u by 2, then this will be v by 3 is equals to 2. Now LCM can easily be taken, 3 to the 6, this will be 3u 2v is equals to 2. So 3u plus 2v is equals to 6 to the 12. This is your first equation. Similarly, what you have from here is u by 3, then v by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. Again LCM, so 2u plus 3v is equals to 13 by 6. 6 will be cancelled with 6. You have got 2u plus 3v is equals to 13. Now you have standard form of equation. You can use whatever method you want to apply. So let's say we can use elimination. So I want to make this like same. So here if you multiply it with 2 and here if you multiply it with 3, so what you will get, 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4v, 12 to the 24. From here 3 to the 6u, 3 3s are 9v is equals to 13 3s are 39. Okay, now because I'm applying elimination and I'm removing u part, so I'm subtracting. So 9 minus 4 is 5v, 9 is greater, so minus sign, 9 minus 4 5, 3 minus 2 1. So we have got 15 by 5, that means v as 3. Now you can substitute this in any of these equations. So 2u plus here 3v, v is 3. So what you have got is 2u, 3 3s are 9, 13 minus 9 is 4, so u is 2. Now because the question was not to find out u and v, we have to solve these equations, that means x and y. So substitute here the values of u and v. So from here 1 by x, x is what, don't know, u is what, 2. So if you reverse this, x will become 1 by 2, and from here this is 1 by y, v is what, 3, so y will become 1 by 3. These are your solutions, x and y. Hope you have understood. Let's take up another example. So here in this question again we have to solve it for x and y variables, but as you can see the rhythm is 1 by x plus y is there and 1 minus xy is there in both of the equations. So let's assume that there are some other variables. Okay, you can simplify it as well, so we will do it in a bit. So what you can write it here, 10u 2v equal 4, and from here 15u minus 5v equal minus 2. Correct. You can simplify it a bit more when you divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So now you can use any of the methods to solve u and v, like substitution. So 2 minus 5u, substitute it in place of v, which is 2 minus 5v, 5u, sorry. is equals to minus 2. 15u is equals to 5 to the 10 minus minus plus 5 5 the 25u minus 2. This is minus, right? So 15, 25 and 15 is 40, correct? And then minus 10 can go there. 10 minus 2 is 8. U will become 8 by 40. That means 1 by 5. And from here, if you substitute value of u, which is 1 by 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1. So you have got u and v. That means this is 1 by 5, this is 1. So if you reverse it, you will get x plus y as 5. And from here, x minus y is 1. Now you can do elimination here. 2x, 5, 1, 6. I'm adding it, okay? So 2 3s are 6. X is 3. And now you can substitute x in any of this equation. So 3 minus y is equals to 1. This implies, correct? So this is how you can calculate these questions. I hope you have got a better understanding. If so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, keep revising and take care of yourself. Bye bye.